Hey, I want to show you all real quick a simple do-it-yourself leave-in conditioner or detangler shampoo spray for your hair. It's the Young Living Copahiba and Vanilla Moisturizing Conditioner. And then I have these little 2-ounce bottles that I got off of Amazon. Comes in like a 12-pack, I think, but you can get smaller, surely. Open up your conditioner. Squirt 1 squirt of the conditioner into your glass bottle. And then top off the rest of it with water. I don't fill it all the way up. I get about 3/4 of the way. And then put your lid back on it. Shake it really good. And it's better if you could like really do this before you absolutely had to use it. That way it gives the conditioner time to really blend in well into it. But if you can't, don't worry about it. And then once it's shaken up or set for a little while, all you gotta do is spray it in your hair and then brush it or style as usual. Simple, easy hack.